All right, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how I manage missing work in my Schoology assignments. Again, work in progress and just discovered my need for this. So notice here it's going to tell me any ungraded assignment submissions. I, however, like to indicate to my students that work is missing. So I will mark them missing, which has its pluses and its minuses. The plus, students get to easily see that in grades. So if I look from, this is my pretend student. This is me. I'm a bad student though. My grade is terrible. But notice students can easily access what's missing from within the grades menu in Schoology. So I do like to mark it as missing. The downside is it will never show up over here that I have to grade it because technically I already graded it as missing. What happens is you get a notification in your bell. But if you're like me, and I have 130 plus students, I get too many notifications to be able to keep track. So I'm putting that ownership on the students. And what I did is created a form. Now, if you don't know this, quick way to get a new form is just type form.new. Okay, and this was the title I used. I gave a little description. Okay, use it when submitting missing work or resubmitting. So I'm not hunting for it. Okay, that's on them. If they want to either improve their grade or turn in missing work, then I need to put some of the responsibility on them. Okay, and I like to sort this first by last name. I'm going to copy this and do preferred first name. Okay, I do next a question that is drop down, and I have them choose their class period. So whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, whatever your options are, however many you need to put. Okay, then I add a question that says the title of the assignment. Make sure you check Schoology. I don't want to guess what assignment you're talking about. I have a question that says the date that it was due. It makes it easier to sort through the grade book. And then I make this last question optional. Any additional comments? Okay, so that's if they had something else they needed to tell me, they forgot to attach a page or whatever, they can write it as a comment. All right, I'm going to show you, I've hid the names, but I want to show you what it looks like when students submit it. Okay, and how I know what to check. I added this column in the spreadsheet. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, when you click on responses, you click this, it creates a spreadsheet right in the same exact Google folder that this was in. Okay, so that's what I'm opening here. And you can see I just hid the names, but you can see they've chosen the class period, they've written in the title of the assignment, the date that it was due, they added comments if they needed to, and these are the ones that I already went through and checked. It helps me keep track of where I am in the list. Okay, so again, this puts the ownership on the students. Okay, they need to take responsibility and make it easier when they have already turned in they haven't turned in their work, so it's missing, or they want to resubmit something for higher grade. Okay.